What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Melva, simply Melva that is, and your girl is back with another video. Yes, I am back with another video, and today is gonna simply be a vlog. It's gonna be a day in my life vlog. Today I wanted to take Solomon out to eat, and I needed to go grocery shopping. I just got done putting together his new car seat. Let me show y'all that. This is the car seat I just got for him and put it together. It's so cute. Yes, because he was in dire need of a new car seat. So yeah, we're basically just about to, well, we're waiting for Joshua to get done cleaning off the porch, and then we're gonna get on the road. Y'all, here in Houston, we are on day 7 with no water. Solomon, stand up. We are on day 7 with no water. Like, my attitude is at ends wits at this point. It's crazy. But, you know, we're grateful to have our lights back on and, you know, a roof over our head. So that's the good thing, but we need our water back on. So yeah, let me stop rambling, and I'll come back to y'all whenever we get in the car. You look nice. Pop back up. Ooh, check you out. Ay, ay, ooh, ay. Come on. Boo bear. Such a pretty day. Fit. Wait.
We do here is go back.
Yeah, you have to hold your camera over the scan for menu, and it'll pop up. So we made it to the restaurant. It's like a Tex-Mex restaurant. It's called Gringo's, and it's like probably like 25 minutes away from where we live. We come here often, so yeah. So we're here about to eat. I am hangry. Hopefully my eyes is not too low, child. Teeth.
For some reason it wouldn't be pulling up.
Solomon.
Once you clicked on it, it just came up.
It like.
Anything else, sir?
We're just waiting for that.
Okay. And I'll be right back with the chicken.
Okay. Ooh. I thought you were gonna have cheese on top of it, but it still looks good.
They want me to get the effect for pouring it, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, okay. That's what it is.
Yeah.
Bon appetit. Oh, we still waiting on that, little guy.
Yeah, always some pepper.
Like black pepper?
Yeah. Look, I want to do it here.
It looks good, Poppy B. That picture.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate you.
They hot? Oh. Okay, we finally made it to Target. I'm coming here for groceries, nothing more. So every time I come in here, I say I'm coming for a specific thing, and then I come back out with more than what I was supposed to come in here for. Oh, I do need to find me a fan too, because Joshua will be trying to burn me up with the heat at night. Okay, these right here? Okay. Sayo, are you gonna get in the basket?
Yeah, but I want to get on here.
No.
We also have most of our food stocked up too, as you can see in the refrigerator.
Oh, okay. All right, you can take the basket. Yeah, okay.
I cleaned all of these for you right now.
Oh, we coming over here. Well, it doesn't look that, oh, Lord. He making it difficult. Anyways, yeah, I need to find me a fan. I doubt if we can find bottled water in here. It's like still kind of bare. Like, look at this shit. I'm guessing this was the area where the cheese was. Like, y'all, I don't know what the hell. Yogurt? This is insane. Like, well, here goes some shredded cheese. I don't know if we need that, but look at this. Look straight ahead. Almond milk, plant-based milk, milk. All of this is gone. There's nothing in there. Joshua, I think I spotted some water. Lord help us all. Bring the basket. Wait a minute. 2% reduced milk. Can't believe it. Wait a minute. Whole milk. This is insane. Look at this, y'all. Nothing. 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 There's nothing. So, this is what the signs say. Due to high demand and to support of all guests, we will be limited to the quantity of 24-pack bottles of water, 2 per guest. It's a shame when you have to tell grown people how many bottles of water they can get.
Already, bro. I'm not around the way.
What's Saya?
Like a popsicle.
Yeah.
A popsicle?
Yeah.
We trying to get stuff we actually need, Pop. Remember when it was hard to come by anything with Clorox on it? Or any... Yeah.
That's a lot
Okay.
of stuff,
Well,
Dad.
we found some water. We got some milk. The almond milk. And I said I wasn't coming in here for other stuff, but we needed this Swiffer Jet, wet jet for the floors, because in the house we have tile floors. So we need disinfectant stuff. So we got a good amount of water. I didn't do no grocery shopping for the simple fact, as y'all saw, they didn't have shit. So yeah. Okay guys, so we came to the Walmart that we live closest by, and I wanted to come here originally to find some meat, and I'm standing on the aisle and I look down. It is literally like nothing over there. Like, I just don't, this is crazy. It is crazy as hell. Like, let me show y'all. We don't really eat pork chops like this, so it's like, this is that. This is where the chicken usually is, and that's usually what we choose from, chicken or beef, or chicken and beef. And this is where the beef is, and I don't see nothing else thing of ground meat. I can't, like, this is beyond me. And I don't eat that up there. That one right there. No. What you done grab? Child, I don't even know. Like, I don't know. Hey guys, so it's a few hours later after the last clip that you saw. When we got home, I basically came home and started cleaning up and putting the groceries away and stuff. And now I am tired as hell. I'm about to get myself ready for bed, get Solomon ready for bed, and I just wanted to come and end this vlog. If you made it to this point in the video, thank you guys for watching, and make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. And follow your girl on Instagram, simply_Melva. Again, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.